Today we're not talking about roofing scams, we're talking about risk. These are 5 red flags professional roofing teams look for, because once they show up on a building, they tend to be expensive very quickly. Red flag number 1, urgency without evidence. One of the biggest red flags we see is urgency without any form of documentation. Statements like, your roof is failing, you're 1 storm away from major damage, you need to re-roof now. The urgency isn't the issue, the lack of proof is. A professional contractor should be able to provide you with photos, marked drawings, moisture findings, and a clear explanation of what an active problem is versus what's normal aging. If the conversation shifts right to panic, risk is already being created. Red flag number 2, no clear scope, just a price. We see a lot of people who sign up for something, but they have no idea of what's being done. A number gets sent over, but there's no defined scope, there's no material specifications. It's not clear what's included or excluded using words like as needed. Professionals don't just sell outcomes, they define processes. If you can't clearly explain what's being repaired, restored, or replaced after reading a proposal, that's a risk indicator. Red flag number 3, repairs that ignore the system. When roofs fail, they don't fail randomly, they fail as a system. A red flag we often see are isolated repairs without system context. Repairing a large section, for example, without understanding the underlying issue beneath it. Understanding materials, what's being used, is it compatible with the type of roof that's there? And third, understanding tie-ins, how the repair is going to tie into the existing roof. Short-term fixes aren't always wrong, but repairs without system awareness usually don't last. A professional is going to ask themselves, how will this repair integrate with the rest of the roof? If this kind of breakdown is helpful, please like and subscribe. We offer real-world roofing insights for property owners who want fewer surprises and better long-term decisions. Red flag number 4, no maintenance strategy. A roof without a maintenance plan is operating on borrowed time. If the only time you see your roofer is when you have a leak, something's wrong. Professionals think in terms of service intervals, drainage management, sealant life cycles, and annual documentation. Maintenance isn't about spending more, it's about controlling when and how you spend. Red flag number 5, conversations without accountability. This last point is subtle, but also important. When questions like these don't get answers, who's responsible if the system fails? How long should this repair last? What should I expect over the course of the life cycle? Professionals aren't afraid of accountability because they understand the system they're working with. The goal isn't to avoid working with contractors, it's to understand what good process looks like. When owners and managers ask questions, roofs tend to last longer, budgets stabilize, and surprises become rare. Professionals will help you spot the risk and prevent it long before it creates damage.